Everyone, my name is Devashni. I am studying 6th concept at Ratnam English Medium High School. Today I am telling about how to change your way of thinking. We wanted to say something means how to change your way of thinking. If I wanted to change the if I wanted to change the we wanted to change the negative persons, negative thoughts, and we wanted to mind and remind. First, we wanted to see all surroundings. We wanted to say something means we wanted to note it in the mind. We wanted to search any YouTube and Google. We wanted to say like in my brain only. In learning purpose, we suppose we going any jobs, they give any meetings, we won't want to create, we want to create, we wanted to search in YouTube, Google means that is not a good. I told me another time that is not a good. We wanted to say something means we wanted to say and create, and like that we wanted to say means not going means we creating any nuisance and negative persons. We wanted to past things we wanted to think means like that we wanted to do, that's why we are negative